Hello everyone, hello. Magandang araw po sa lahat. Ayan guys, dumating na yung aking parcel guys. Yan, ang parcel na SPG guys. Yan, Salvio Barley Grass. Ayan guys, dumating na guys yung ating order. Tatlong jar yan siya guys, tatlong jar. Yan, tatlong jar yan siya guys, 240 grams each. 240 gram each. Yan, consumable yan siya guys. Yung isang jar consumable, good for 3 to 4 months yan siya guys. 240 grams yan, 3 to 4 months siya. Once a day lang ang ating inom yan. And thank you so much, Salvio Will Corp, Cubao branch. Yan, Salvio Will Corp, Cubao branch. Thank you so much, Cubao branch. At nadaling ano lang, napakabilis ang delivery. Yan, thank you so much. In order ko siya nung Friday night guys, Friday nights. Tapos dumating siya Saturday. Yan, Saturday. Yan, ganun kabilis guys ang delivery guys ng Salvio Will Corp, Cubao branch. Yan, thank you so much, Cubao branch. Maraming salamat po sa parcel. Tatlong jar yan siya guys. Yan, thank you so much nga pala sa ating mga customers, users ng Salvio Barley Grass. And thank you so much everyone. Yan, magandang araw po sa lahat. Yan, support for more and follow for more. Thank you so much everyone.